These are the main elevators at UF Parking Garage 9 in Gainesville, Florida. This one is out of service, so we're just gonna ride this one. We're gonna go 5. No indicator, it got basically punched out. We're gonna get a cab view up here. The indicator's seen, or the lantern has seen better days. There's another elevator over there that I filmed a separate video that's a Dover. So, it's a cab view. We're gonna go down to 1. And we're stopping. I'm just gonna get off here actually. I'll cut them when we get back on. So we're here at level 4. We're gonna call the elevator back down. In the meantime, we can get a look at the elevators from the outside. Can't really see them all that well. I can tell that one is going down. And like I said, the other one is out of service, it's on 1. So I'll cut them when we get back. There's no bell on these elevators. So let's go down to 1. There's your emergency phone right here. This elevator does seem a lot slower than the Dover. You know what? No one's here, so let's just go for one more ride. And watch the view again. And let's end the video down at 1. So this is Montgomery Kone right here. Yeah, and this one is still sitting at 1. And there it goes.